Hello guys, you are watching the Payment Guide YouTube channel. In today's video, we will talk about getting the SWIFT code of Bank of Ayudhya, Thailand. In the video, the whole process of getting the SWIFT code of Bank of Ayudhya, Thailand will be explained step by step, so watch the video till the end without skipping any part of it. Before we start the process of getting the SWIFT code of Bank of Ayudhya, Thailand. If you're new to this channel, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications of the latest informative videos. A link has been provided in the description box. By clicking the link, you will come to this page. Here, you can see 4 boxes. The first box is to select the country. In this box, Thailand is already selected. If it is not, then select the country Thailand. The second box is for the bank. We select the Bank of Ayudhya. Now, the third box is enabled. In the third box, we select the city. We select the city of Bangkok. The fourth box is for the SWIFT code. As we click the SWIFT code, the whole information about the SWIFT code will be provided. Friends, here you can see the SWIFT code. And again, in the key information, the SWIFT code has been given. The bank name has been given and the bank address has been also given. So, this is the method by which you can get the SWIFT code of Bank of Ayudhya, Thailand. See you in another video. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for the notifications of the latest informative videos.